What's up, guys? If you don't know who I am, my name is Steve, and you may or may not follow my other channel. In this new channel, I wanted to bring a different style of editing and vlogging, more raw, uncut, on vehicle repairs and work I do, work I have done, vehicles I buy and sell. I wanted to start customizing more vehicles. Well, I do customize a lot of vehicles. I wanted to buy vehicles with the intention of customizing them to sell them for a profit and kind of vlog it for you guys, show you what we got going on. Do a lot of vehicles if you don't know. We're gonna start with an Acura. I'm gonna show you guys right away here. I currently have a Honda CRX. It's a 1989. It's got an all-wheel drive conversion, K20A2, runs 20 pounds of boost through it and makes 550 of the tire. It's a pretty cool car. So I wanted to show you guys kind of what we're doing, where we're going, what the plans are with these cars. I'll start with this one. It's gonna be really quick, really short, and then you guys can see what's up and what the plan is. Now the Integra I'm gonna show you guys, we've already started modding it, and I just kind of have this idea come to me the other night about vlogging this stuff. So it's already, the work's already started, but I'm gonna show you guys what the plan is and where we plan on going, what we're into the vehicle for currently, and go from there. All right, guys, first car to the channel is a 1996 Acura Integra. It's got a JDM front end on it. It's got Bulk Racing wheels. It's lowered on Skunk 2 springs, actually coilovers, I should say. It does not have a powertrain. We'll get to that. We did take the spoiler off. It did have a Integra Type R spoiler, but it was an authentic one. So we got rid of that to lower the amount we have into the vehicle. I think they look cleaner anyways without the spoiler in the back. So we'll get these holes all filled. The last owner did paint the car, but didn't fill the holes. So we'll have this repainted. We will get the spoiler plug for it. I don't think I'm going to bother this because where the antenna was, if I were to paint this, by the time we fill this, paint it, blend it, we're going to be $2,000 into this. So we may skip that. It's to be determined. Other than that, walking around the exterior of the car, it's lowered, looks good. It's got, again, the Integra front end. We'll readjust the bumper there. It's a good looking car. So we're gonna clean up these, we'll get a new windshield molding on it because it's all broken. We'll clean that up, get rid of that, although it looks decent. Another mystery of this car, when I got it, it doesn't have a wiper motor or wipers in it. I don't know why anybody would take those off on a car you're driving on the street. So we will get a wiper motor and wiper assembly for it. This car did have a K20 swap in it. So we're probably gonna go back to a K20, I think, being that, you know, kind of, they've already cut the mounts out that you need. We'll clean this up a little more, make it look better. Interesting enough, somebody has relocated the slave, which looks kind of cool. Cleans up the firewall a lot. Does have the rad still in there. The nice thing about these Acuras compared to the CRX I drive is it has power steering. So that's always a good option. Looking inside of it, nice. So I'm gonna assume at some point it did have a racing seat in it, being these are Acura TL seats and there's no back seat. So we're gonna need a back seat. We'll get some aftermarket racing seats for it. We're gonna do something with the steering wheel. I think we'll go to a Momo steering wheel and get rid of this ugly one that somebody took the bag out of. I'm assuming that this has always been in here, the steering wheel, because the horn does work on it. It was a standard car. I think we're gonna do an RSX Type S transmission and make it a standard again, make it a 6-speed. And that's kind of it. That's the start of the video. That's the start of the channel. This is the first one you guys have seen. Next video you see, we're gonna start putting the powertrain in it. So that's it, guys. If you wanna see some cool builds and content and maybe some how-to, I don't know what we'll get into here, make sure you follow along. Drop a subscribe, drop a like. We'll see you on the next one.